Everyone, we are FinScholar consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. So, previously we have discussed the clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, and cells group. In today's lecture, I'm going to discuss the editing group, these three options: AutoSum, Fill, and Clear. So let me start with the AutoSum option. If I click this option, as you can see, there's so many options available. Let me start with the first one, sum. I will select all of these and I will click the sum. It will give the sum here. As you can see, to reconcile, you can see that sum is actually 2820. Now, the next option, average. I'm going to select these all and I'm going to select the option average. It will give the average of all the numbers selected. As you can see, the average of all the numbers is 689. Now, I'm going to go with the count number. I'm going to select this. I'm going to click this AutoSum option. I'm going to select the count number. You see, the count of the numbers are 8. I have written the serial number here to reconfirm it. Alright, I'm going to go with the maximum and minimum option. I will select all this data. I will click the AutoSum option and I will click the maximum. As you can see, the maximum of all these numbers is 1500. In the same way, as you can see, the minimum number is 200. If I select this option, minimum, it will give 200. Alright, now I'm going to tell you that in AutoSum there is more options, more functions. If you click it, it will give you more options in the AutoSum thing. It will have the hyperlink, if, count, sign, SUMIF, PMT, ACT, EV. These are basically short formulas. We are going to discuss them in the later lecture. But for now, the basic options in the AutoSum are being discussed here. Now, I'm going to go with the fill option. Let me show you the fill option. Fill option has down, right, up, left. I'm going to start with the down option. For example, if I sum all of these, it's 12,000, and if I select these cells and if I select the fill option down, it will fill the sum downward. Similarly, if I select these cells, AutoSum them, and I select the above cells and I select this option up, it will paste the formula up. Now, similarly, if I sum all of these and I will select the option fill right, it will sum and paste the formula on the right. Now, I'll AutoSum this one and I will select these cells and I will select the option left. Now it will sum them left. These are the basic folds options. Now if you want to go with the series, the next option, it has so many options. If you click it, it will give you rows, columns, linear, growth, date, autofill. I'm going to go with the very basic one. For example, let me go, if I paste it for it's 10/08/2020, it's a date option, and if I select these cells, if I select the option series, and if I selected the date, and you want it in a step value of 2 days in columns, okay, 2 days in columns, days. You see, there's a difference of 2 days in each of the series. Alright, similarly, The next option is, if I paste the number here 1 and select the cells, if I go to this option series, you see the column is already selected. You can do this in rows too. I hope you understand it. If I select it, the step value from 1 to, for example, if let me go with the growth one, 1, 2, 3. So what happens is 4, 5, 6. Now series growth 2. These numbers have grown by 2. 1, 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32. Yeah, in a similar way, there's another option here, which is linear. Alright, for example, if I put the number here 1, and if I select this, step 1, the stop value is 12. Basically, the row was selected, so these numbers will go to 12. Alright, so this is the basic of the series. You can use the other options as much as you like. You'll know the autofill option. It's a simple thing. Will autofill all of the columns or rows, and this is the trend bar. It is only for linear growth. Alright, now there are two more options here: justify and flash fill. These are basically a little bit advanced Excel options. We are going to discuss them later on. I'm going to go with the clear one. Now I'm going to select this in lecture. I'm going to select the first number, and I'm going to select this option, clear all. It will clear all the cells selected. If I select them and I select this option, clear all, it will clear all these cells. Now, all of the formatting. Now if I move on to the clear content, if I click it, it will clear the content in particular style. For example, the formatting is there, but only the content is deleted. For example, if I click here and I show you this option again, the formatting is there and the content is deleted. Now, next option is clear comments. To add the comments, right click it and insert comments. How to delete comment. Now in this red icon, a comment is added, and if you select this cell, if you clear this option, clear comment, it will clear the comment. Now moving on to the last option, hyperlink. This is the hyperlink I've already pasted the website. Now there is a hand icon here, for example. It means that you can click it. Now if you want to remove the hyperlink, go to the clear option, clear hyperlink. Now it will stay here, but you can't click it. It will clear the hyperlink. Now if you want to delete the hyperlink, select this option. You have to undo it. For example, select this option and remove hyperlink. It will remove the hyperlink from it completely. Now, this is today's lecture. I hope it's really fruitful for you. If you like this lecture, kindly like, subscribe, and share our page. Thank you so much.